Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter called Transportation in Animals and Plants. We have already discussed transportation in animals and transportation in plants in our previous lectures. Today we are going to discuss about transpiration. What do we mean by transpiration? So we know that water is absorbed by all the plants, and this water is required by the plant for the process of photosynthesis. But sometimes all the water which is absorbed by plants is not used by them. Hence, what do they need to do? They need to get rid of the excess water in them. So this getting rid of excess water in the form of water vapors or the loss of water it occurs through process of transpiration. During transpiration, what is happening? The water which is present in the plant is evaporating into the atmosphere through the stomata present on the leaf. So you see this stomata is playing an important role. Stomata is responsible for gaseous exchange and photosynthesis as well. Now it is responsible for the process of transpiration also. Stomata are tiny pores which are present on the leaves that allow the movement of gases and water through them. This we know from the process of photosynthesis. Transpiration results in absorption of water. So we know why plants are absorbing more in water, because transpiration is there. So in the atmosphere, continuous absorption or continuous evaporation of water from plants is there. So to fulfill their requirement, water requirement, plant absorbs water. So basically absorption of water in plants is because of the transpirational pull. As the water from the leaf evaporate, it generate a suction pull, just as you for example, like you suck water from straw. In similar way, as a result of transpiration or the evaporation from the leaf, the water is sucked or water is absorbed from the root upwards. Transpiration also help in cooling down the plants, as like we sweat and we cool down ourselves. Similar way, when water evaporate from the plant, it utilizes the heat of the plant and results in cooling of the internal plant. So what are the factors which affect the rate of transpiration? These are light, humidity, temperature, atmospheric pressure, and wind velocity, and relative humidity. So relative humidity is the term that means the presence of water in the environment. So more is the humidity, less will be the transpiration pull. So it is inversely proportion. That means if humidity is more, transpiration will be less, and if humidity is less, transpiration is more. Temperature: when the temperature is more, rate of transpiration is more. Light: if light is more, rate of transpiration will be more, because when light is more, temperature will be more, and therefore when more is the light, more is the rate of transpiration. Air: so if the air is still, that means air is not moving, wind is not there, wind velocity is less, transpiration rate is also low. But if the air is moving or wind speed or wind velocity is more, the transpiration rate increases. Water availability: so if water is available in ample quantity, so there will be more evaporation. But if water absorption is less, like in deserts, there will be reduced rate of transpiration. So here you can see this is the process of transpiration. This is how the water is absorbed by the roots, travel through plant, and then it is evaporated through the leaf surfaces or stomata. And we have earlier also we have seen this picture, that this is the structure of the leaf and this is the stomatal pore, and stomatal pore is responsible for the gaseous exchange. So this way we complete the chapter Transportation in Plants and Animals. Hope you have understood the chapter well. Thank you so much.